The Utah State University Masters in Biomanufacturing is a 2-year, non-thesis program designed for the next generation of industry leaders.
From this program, I learned a lot of invaluable skills about biomanufacturing, as well as communication with people and professors and industry professionals.
I learned about quality assurance, quality control. I also learned about upstream and downstream processing and biomanufacturing, learning how to use bioreactors to make cell cultures, mammalian and microbial cell cultures.
How to use the machinery, how to set it up and make it function properly.
With flexible online courses, hands-on laboratory training, and extensive internship opportunities, you'll gain advanced skills in biologics, agricultural bioproducts, nutraceuticals and pharmaceuticals, as well as medical devices and diagnostics.
I feel like I know more about what aspect or what route I want to take within my career.
And I feel like I've gotten a lot more professional in how I conduct myself.
It's given me an insight into how industry works.
This program connects you directly with the evolving needs of the life sciences industry and prepares you to enter the industry with confidence.
It made me realize that I want to pursue applied research, especially in bioengineering. I've been trying to figure out for years how I was be able to open up the nonprofit till I found this program. Now I know how.